Hello, I am Ronan and I'm going to be filming a video called My Forest Walk. So I've recently moved to Estonia and I'm just speaking English because I don't know Estonian and none of my other family members do. And I'm just going to be on a walk out in the forest over there. Where you see that truck. Yeah, so what I said, I recently moved to Estonia. Yeah. I lived in New York City. I was born in New York City. I lived there until it's my age. Recently, a few months ago, I just moved to Estonia. Trying to learn Estonian, but I just think it's very difficult. Yeah, so I live near Tallinn, which is like the capital of Estonia, but it's out in like the rural area. So yeah, this is very deep, like a foot of snow. So I'm having some trouble walking through here. Very, very nice landscape out here in like April. Yeah. Our family decided to go to Estonia since it's like a nice place to go. It's a nice place. It's a nice spot. Yeah, but I said beautiful landscapes. Beautiful out. I don't think I should go over there. It's a bit far. Just gonna go in there. Oh no, I lost my crampon. That's not good. At least my other crampon's still on. It's a nice exercise out. What's that? There's something up there. I think I should leave. gonna cramp up. Oh, no. There's something in there, in the forest. I don't know what it is. But I don't want to find out. What truck? I made it back. I don't know what that is. Yeah. It looked like a figure. Black silhouette. I don't want to go back there. Mm-hmm.